Hey there, it's me, Sophie from Sophie-World.com. I've been posting these little boredom busters, 1-minute boredom busters on Instagram, and I thought it might be fun to put them together in a compilation and, call them 5 minutes of fun. So here you go. This is 5 minutes of fun from Sophie-World.com.
Find yourself a mirror and make funny faces. I discovered that I could do this by standing in a mirror when I was a child, and it's so much fun. So stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative.
So today we're going to be making a comb kazoo, and what you need is a comb and a piece of wax paper. And all you want to do is make sure that your wax paper is twice the size of your comb, and wrap your comb with the wax paper, and then you want to buzz through it. So you want to hum. So you want to go like I'm going to show you what I mean. No peeking drawing. And what that means is you take a piece of paper and a pen and you close your eyes and draw. And so the idea is to draw something, whatever it is, without looking. Now, if you're a kid and you have a little hard time keeping your eyes closed, you don't want to cheat, you can use a blindfold or you can use a hat. So I'm going to do a no peeky drawing right now. Okay, and of course, I'm going to do mine really fast, and I actually did a little bit of it earlier without peeking, but my picture is a cat in the sunshine, and without looking, this is what I drew. So can you see? Ah, there's my cat. Today's boredom buster is called 101 Uses. So what you want to do is take a common everyday item like this brush here and find as many different uses for it as you can. So this is fun to play with a whole bunch of people. So like here, I'll start it out. It could be a giant's toothbrush. It could be a mascara applicator. Oh, it could be a back scratcher. Or a hammer. Or, a little tiny paddle for paddleboarding. There you go. Well, you get the idea. So it's great if you have a whole bunch of people to do this because you can keep passing it around until you run out of ideas. I call this one Couch Potato I Spy. So for this, you're going to need some sort of item that everybody knows. And you're going to need a room that has a couch that's kind of centrally located. It doesn't actually necessarily need to be a couch, but some place where everybody can sit and really see the room in general. What you're going to do ahead of time is take your item and hide it somewhere in the room. Now you want to hide it well, but you do want to make sure that you can still kind of see it. Then invite everybody in, have them sit down on the couch and look for that item. And then once they find the item, they stand up and they say, I see the item, and they point it out. And if they're right, they get a round of applause. You can play as many times as you want.
You know, the CDC has said it's best if we wash our hands 20 seconds at a time, and so I've come up with a little boredom-busting song while you're washing your hands. And it goes like this. Wash, wash, wash your hands, keep them nice and clean. Forward to forward and front to back and fingers in between. Wash, wash, wash your hands, keep them nice and clean. Forward to forward and front to back and fingers in between. Do that 3 times and you'll get the CDC 20-second allotment, and you'll stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative. For more great ideas, check us Sophie-World.com.